October is observed globally as a month to educate people about the genetic disease called Down syndrome. This disease is caused due to an extra chromosome. When a child is born with 47 instead of 46, the extra chromosome hampers the development of brain and causes physical disabilities. Though few Down syndrome patients also suffer from heart and respiratory ailments, most lead a healthy life. There are 3 types of Down syndrome. This is a common ailment found all over the world. In USA, some 400,000 people suffer from Down syndrome. Such children are also a major ordeal for parents. For such children, growing up itself is a challenge. Fortunately, due to the ability of modern medical facilities, such people are leading healthy lives. Many are excelling in different fields. One such person is Syeda Alihba Ameenuddin, a Pakistani artist. She has participated in a number of art expos and competitions held in London and elsewhere. Her work has been appreciated locally as well as internationally. She has the honor of being the first Pakistani who has thrice been acknowledged by UN Women. Syeda Alihba, who speaks Urdu, English and French fluently, is also a social entrepreneur. Believing in the economic self-reliance of women, she runs her own digital art studio. Society needs to recognize their work and provide latest facilities enabling them to live a better life.